Here we go.
We're ready?
Yep.
Lovely. We're back here digging holes. I was going to do a woodworking thing tonight again because I like to do the woodworking. I need to do that, but got a weather report. We're supposed to get a tropical storm move in that's going to really nail us hard apparently. And what we don't get done before that storm might not be able to be worked on for at least several days, maybe even a week. So what I want to do is I wanted to get I've got one hole deep enough. This one's close, and we're going to work on the third one tonight. Tomorrow's supposed to be sunny. Hopefully Wesley and his mom can work at it during the day. We'll see how far we get. The more we get done and filled back up with rocks, the less trouble we're going to have getting this ready, because Mama Bear already ordered some materials, and we're not ready for materials until we've got our foundation ready. So that's what I'm working at today. So Wesley's going to watch me, and he might comment. Don't say anything bad about your dad. We've decided only to go down 36 inches because when you get down to about 30 inches there's a layer of shale, and I figure that's pretty stable to build on. So if we get down to 36 inches, we're 6 inches into that shale. In fact, I'm already in it down here. There's dirt between it all. But I figure we'll be pretty stable. This is only a shed. This isn't... We're not building a high-rise building or something really spectacularly, some big landmark for the whole area. This is basically a shed. And I'll work at this until the video is long enough, and then Wesley and I are going to fill these up with holes. Fill these up with rocks.
Fill them up with holes. It's already a hole.
Take a Dutchman for what he means, not what he says. And yes, I say things a little bit out of whack sometimes. But I am picking up little bits of shale in here.
Yeah, and those will get put back in the holes.
Well, we're going to put bigger stuff in there than that.
Yeah.
To begin with. We'll sort some of that. So yeah, you can see you get sparks off the shovel. I don't know if that was visible on the camera.
Well, I couldn't see it.
I sure did. Might give it another shot. I just know that this last 6 inches is pretty brutal. Oh, and we're all wearing bug spray right now because the mosquitoes, we had a little bit of rain, and now the mosquitoes are just horrendous back here.
Mm-hmm.
So we're all sprayed down. They're leaving us alone, at least for now. That rock out there. Yeah. Yeah, hit a rock with a shovel. It's not very fun.
Yeah.
Get your palm on it.
Mom was digging these holes.
Well, she did pretty good.
Hole. Yeah.
All things considered. Yeah, I dig a couple of these and I start feeling old.
Mm-hmm. As I was digging that one over there, and Mom dug in it a little bit too. I was digging that rooted one there.
Yeah, well, hopefully you guys can make some progress tomorrow.
I was also working on that one, but that one is very rocked.
Very rocky?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's get an idea where we're at now. We're at about 34, 35. We're almost there. I don't want to cheat and say we're there. Actually, I do want to, but I'm not going to.
Yeah.
Because it doesn't help us to do that.
Yeah, you don't want the foundation to be too uneven.
No, well, I don't want it to change position once we have it built. I don't want the position to change. I want it to be stable. I want my work to stay basically square. I mean, in practice, it rarely does. But it does good. How close are we to 10 minutes?
We're at 5 minutes and 48 seconds.
I'm getting worse. I used to wait till 6 minutes. You can see I'm getting packed stone down there.
Yeah.
And that's why it's so freaking hard to shovel.
Yeah. I bet that you could probably grow alders in a frickin' flower pot if you had enough water.
I think they would grow whether you wanted them to or not.
Yeah.
I'll do it again. Okay. Way to shovel across. Foot under it. This is higher on the side here, so we're there. Okay, that one's deep enough.
Okay, we can ditch that one.
Yeah, we can stop digging this one.
So this one is probably going to be the one to continue digging.
Okay. I'd like to get more than 3 of them done before the storm hits, but we'll see how far you and Mom get tomorrow.
Yeah, we're at 7 minutes.
So that's good. We're only going a little past 10, because I'm sure people listening are going to get bored of me doing this.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't want to do this for the video tonight. I wanted to do
And
some
then-
more woodworking.
And
Which
then
might not be a bit
when
better
we're
for some people, but
when we're done recording, I'll start digging too.
well, you start digging, I'm going to have you start filling up with rocks.
Yeah.
Get the wheelbarrow and pull
Fill
them
up the
close.
ones that are deep enough.
Yeah, the thing is, if they're full before the water hits, there's no way that the dirt is going to wash into the hole and fill it up in place of the rocks. We want rocks in there, not dirt.
Yeah.
Nor do we really care to have a lot of water in them, but that's going to happen whether we want it or not.
Yeah.
And this ain't going to be easy. The soil down there is pretty clayey. You see the layer here where the topsoil ends and it gets a lighter color? You end up more with clay in there than you end up with soil. I'm surprised how thick the topsoil is here.
Yeah.
I'm surprised the shovel handle hasn't broken yet, because it's already cracked and it's rotten.
Yeah. Let's hope that doesn't break before we can finish this.
I'll get another shovel, but I don't think its handle is in any better shape. That's what we get for leaving them outside so long.
Yeah. We're gonna have to replace their handles.
The thing is, when that rain comes, we're stymied until things dry out a little bit.
Yeah, so I think we should try to finish pretty much all the holes. if we
I
can.
think you're dreaming. I don't think we're going to get that done before the storm hits. We
Yeah.
only got maybe 48 hours, but I don't even think that much. And that's assuming Moncton's going to get hit before we do. That's
Okay.
not always the case. Or the way they
So-
approach, sometimes we all get it at the same time, or we get it first.
We're over 10 minutes now.
Okay, go ahead and shut her down. Don't forget, time flies whether you're having fun or not. Don't forget to subscribe to Amy too. It'd be a generous favor to me. And you can subscribe here too if you want. Hit the notification bell. So have yourself a good day.